up? What's up? What's up, everybody? How is everybody doing today? Today is a day where I'm gonna work on the stylus again. Well, to put it more in perspective, the stylus is reaching his his annual um high kilometer runs. It's reaching his 100,000 kilometers. So it's very normal when a car that's belt driven is starting to reach 100,000. It's best to change belt, and also it's also a good idea to change some seals. So uh, yeah. So today I'm gonna change the belt. Me and my friend's gonna help me. Gonna change the timing belt. And also in here is has the cam seals, crank seal, crank pulley seal, or whatever, or how you call it, and also the oil pump seal. So right now it's very relatively easy, and it's a preventive maintenance. Because for example, if the belt on a belt driven car, if the time belt breaks, and if you don't know to act quickly, like, oh, when the belt breaks, don't start the car, just leave it at that. Or more prospectively, if the car shuts down strangely, first thing you do, don't start the car. Don't start it, because if that happens, it means something happened in the engine bay that's out of your control, that you can. Because what most people do is they just turn on the car, and they end up with a bent valve or anything worse than that. So on a belt driven car, when it's reaching 100, it's best to catch it early, change it early, and change anything else. And for me, it's a good idea, since the car is gonna get turbo again. That's in the works. So yeah. So now I'm heading out to my friend. We're gonna let the car sit and let it cool off a little bit. While it's cool, we're gonna do some other work, like cutting up some pipes, trying to I'm gonna do my best today. I'm gonna do my best, but mostly today is strictly for the starlet. So yeah, I was gonna go with the boost controller to put on the Civic to see how much it's boosting, but you know how it goes. I'm some kind of lazy somewhat, but I need some stuff to plumb up the boost control on the car. I need a hose, some uh T fittings. So yeah, and some clamps and stuff. But I can get it at a hardware store in it, or any other store that sells them. So yeah, but I'm gonna try at least do some work on the Civic. Also, make it more like what's the word presentable. I was this week gonna go to a parts store and see how much for the clutch kit, stock clutch kit, just to get the car, shifting smoother at higher RPMs. Because right now I'm just you're just short shifting it. Because yeah, but that's another story. But yeah, I'm gonna get on the road right now, go to my friend's house, and get things started. So I'm gonna see you guys when I'm there. Yeah. So yeah, just arrived. My friend's not here yet. So see what I'm gonna start doing. Either way, the engine or the engine installing needs to cool off for a bit. But I'm looking at he's got some cars in the garage. Maybe I have to move it to the other side of the garage. Yeah, but all in all, it's very relatively easy things to change. Timing belt seals are relatively easy. So yeah. So yeah, this is how the style sits now. It's a foreshadowing for the turbo. Got all the things to start cutting and welding to start fitting and stuff, but that's not what I'm gonna do today. Today is changing the time belt, crank seal, cam seal, and bump seal. First off, you're gonna remove this cover. Just hold the tube one bolt there. Here, there's another bolt here, but I remove it. You just want to keep this two bolt. This is a two-part cover. One at the top, one at the bottom. So yeah, my friend is gonna take a little while. I'm gonna start, checking out the car, checking out the wheel, move these covers, and get everything all situated. So update. Move the power steering. It's hanging right here. Remove the belt. Gotta remove the cover there, but I gotta remove the crankshaft pulley. Remove the alternator, so I can move the alternator belt. Just leave it hanging there. We go down here. You can see I gotta remove the crank pulley. The belt is hanging there. After I remove this, I can move this from the cover. Can't get to the belt, and yeah, that's about it. Yeah, my friends is gonna remove the crank pulley and stuff while I gonna get to welding on the exhaust. Well, over here, got the stuff over here, and here it is. Gonna cut this piece up and weld the pipe here. And yeah, while I'm doing this, he's doing that on the start. So let's get going. Yeah, guys, update. Was not going to work on the Civic today, but my friend motivated me. We're busy with the exhaust. Still got to work on the downpipe. It's hanging. The exhaust is hanging right now. The hangers are mocked up, welded by yours truly. You know what I'm saying? My friend here working on the stylet. Got already, camshaft seal all changed. Crankshaft pulley change. Got in time. Now he just gotta put the pulleys back on. Make everything clean. And yeah. Depends. I'm in a welding mood. Maybe we're gonna start marking up the turbo for the turbo down for the manifold and stuff. But for today, just timing, seals. That's it. And yeah, after we get, let me show you guys right now. We're going straight pipe, because again, for you guys to say Honda doesn't have power, make torque, Look what it did to my muffler. What in the is this? What? Shh, damn. So now we're going straight pipe. Got this mocked up. Gotta put it on. Then weld the down pipe, and we'll be straight pipe. And you guys gonna get a sound clip. It's alive. It's alive. And it started right up. The man, you rock. Now, you guys heard that? Right up. Soon you will have boost. You will love it. Oh, sorry guys, just me being me. Currently welding up the down pipe to put it back in. And yeah. The starlet is just need to finish buttoning a few things, then put the tire on, and then you guys saw the video. You guys saw started right up. So busy here. It's going. So yeah, probably you guys can't see me well, but as you can see, it's night and we're done. The starlet is smooth, idle smooth, drive smooth. Now I'm more motivated now than ever to turbo it. Way motivated to turbo it. So gonna try to get another video by next week. Gonna get all this stuff situated. Yeah. And the Civic, boy oh boy. Man, I'm so very excited. I'm so proud of the little stuff that we do, me and my friend do on the Civic. It's so rewarding, and yeah. Now the car, the Civic with the turbo, it reacts, pick up a lot quicker, a little bit more faster. But we're also gonna in the works of trying to get exhaust, catback exhaust for it. So yeah, but you know, more stuff is gonna come for the Civic. You know what I'm saying? But hey, but I'm gonna cut this video right here, right now. Probably again, sorry if you guys can't see me, but probably you can hear me. But yeah, this is gonna do for the video. I'm probably gonna title this video timing belt and seals for the starlet, changing the time belt and seals for the starlet, with fixing welding up exhaust pipe, whatever, for the exhaust, welding exhaust for the Civic. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Yeah, because probably in the next video the style is gonna be turbo. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Peace.